Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an Instagram try again later. We restrict certain activity to protect our community. So guys, when you have open your Instagram and when you want to follow or like or comment to any post and facing this kind of issue on your Instagram account, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to take screenshot of this problem, and guys after doing this you have to go back. And guys after going to back, simply you have to open your Instagram again. And guys after clicking on it, simply you have to click on your main profile icon, and guys click on three lines, click on settings and privacy. And guys after this, simply you have to scroll it below. And guys first of all you have to check your restrictions from here. So guys, maybe there is restrictions due to any post. So guys, you will find here all the restrictions. So guys, if you have this restriction due to any post, simply you have to delete that post from your account. And guys after doing this, simply you have to go back. And guys you have to scroll it down. Here is the option of help. Simply you have to click on this tab, click on report a problem, click on report a problem, and click on include and continue. And guys first of all, here you need to upload your screenshot that you have taken already. So guys, for example, I am going to upload this screenshot. And guys after uploading your screenshot, here simply you need to write this appeal that I am going to paste it here. So guys, simply you have to write this appeal. So guys, you can find this appeal in this video description. So guys, as you can see here, simply you need to scroll it below. And guys at last, here you need to write your full name and username of your Instagram account. And guys simply you have to click on this send button. And guys after submitting your appeal, within few minutes they will review your account, and guys they will remove any restriction from your account and your account will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.